The biggest risk you are taking is actually playing it safe. Look, if you really want to change your life, you have to start taking more risks. Honestly, it's about opening yourself up to endless possibilities and opportunities that you just won't find by staying comfortable. Most people get stuck on the ordinary path because they are afraid of what might happen, but they are missing out the life they actually want. So you have only two choices here. You can forge your own path or just settle for the ordinary one everyone else takes. If you want to leave your mark on the world, you can't be afraid to embrace the unknown. Every transformative moment in the history happened because someone was willing to risk everything to push the world forward. Therefore, don't think it as just a shot in the dark. Look, risk isn't just a gamble, it's the gateway to greatness. There is a price to be paid, but it is just the entrance fees for living the life of your dreams. If it wasn't scary, everyone would be doing it, and it won't be worth as much. And that fear you are feeling, that actually is a good sign. It is supposed to feel scary, but nothing in the life is truly worthwhile unless you take risks. When it feels terrifying to jump, that's exactly when you have to be bold and chase those dreams to make yourself proud. Taking that leap is what actually transforms you and makes life worth living. The greatest risk in life is not taking any at all. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and subscribe if you're ready to change the things.